Your storefront is where users will decide if they want to take your tour. It's the place where you can provide a preview of what your tour is about and where you can add some information about yourself or your organization. Setting up your storefront only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. The parts of the storefront include a location or address for the overall tour, a title, a hero image and video, preview images, and a description. Although not part of the storefront screen, we consider two other pieces as part of the storefront: the splash screen and banner. We'll cover all of these one at a time. The fastest way to set up your storefront is to use the AI Assistant. The Storefront Assistant icon is under the Storefront Hero section. When you click this icon, you'll see a pop-up window that will ask you a series of questions. The assistant will walk you through each section step by step. Just respond to the questions, and our AI is trained to create content specifically for your tour. Let's go through the assistant workflow, and then we'll look at each piece of the storefront individually. The first thing the assistant will ask is for your tour location. This should just be the city and state, or the general area. Next, pick your tour type. Then answer the questions in the list. When you're done, click Generate. When your content is ready, you'll see a preview. You can edit this content, download it in a text file, or go back and enter different responses. If you're happy with what you see here, click Next. You can always go back and edit more later. Now we can start adding images to our tour. You can search by all of the available image sites, or one at a time. Searching one at a time will bring back more images from that provider. Searching all will bring back a few from each. When you see a list of images appear, you can scroll through the list and select one you like. And of course, you can always change the image later. For each image, you can see the title of the image and the photographer, which you can copy if you want to add that content somewhere. Click the plus button to select, and then press Add. That starts the process of downloading the images, converting the file types, and optimizing for mobile devices so that your tour loads and responds as fast as possible while still looking great. Grabbing multiple images works the same way. Search with keywords, then select the images you like. You can see how many you have in your list and the limit at the top of the screen. Click Add, and the process starts again. Keep going until the assistant closes. It's easy to add or change content individually too. To add or change images, first select the area you want to edit in the phone view. In the editor, you'll see the image preview and some icons. These icons allow you to delete images, upload images from your computer, add images from a URL, or search for images like we did with the assistant. Some places can only have one image like the storefront hero, splash screen, banner, and totes. Other places can have multiple images like the storefront previews or info page slideshows. If you want to move an image in a list, just press the arrow icon. The last thing to add is your storefront video. Adding a video introduction is one of the most important features to entice people to take your tour. We have lots of resources including scripts and best practices for making intro videos. To add a video, click the Video tab on the Storefront Hero section. Then upload your video. You'll see the upload progress bar at the top of the screen. Once your video processes, you'll see it in the editor. This may take a few minutes. You'll also see a play button appear over top of your Storefront Hero. When someone clicks this in the app, it will open the video player. Your storefront is complete, and you're ready to move on to building your tour.